Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vice, and today we are watching Chainsaw Man episode 10. In the last episode, Makima was revealed to be alive. She somehow survived a bullet to the head. No clue how. Is she a fiend? Is she like Denji? Does she have a contract with a devil that somehow brings her back to life when she dies? I don't know. Also, what is her power? How does it work? I want to know so much more about Makima now. I'm so intrigued by her. Also, we had the scared girl from the hotel who tried to sacrifice Denji to the devil. She came and she kicked ass. She was amazing, and she saved Denji from getting kidnapped. So honestly, she made up for it, and I hope she sticks around because she has to be a bigger part of the story now, right? But I'm just excited to keep watching, so without further ado, let's get into it.
昨日午後練馬駅前の練馬西大ビルで公安のデビルハンターによる大規模な戦闘が行われました。しかし相手は悪魔だけでなく人間だとの目撃情報もあり、詳細は未だはっきりと。
Oh, people are questioning now. Oh, Power's back, and Denji's fine. Power.
全部俺んだ。敵から逃げたやつに食わせるリンゴはね。
逃げたんじゃない。お腹が空いたから帰って。
No, you ran.
嘘つけ。ビビリ。チキン。
嘘つきは上だじゃん。
なら。
なんじゃ。
四川。四川。誰が生き残ってる？
Yep. Tell him the good news.
メガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど、公安辞めたんだと。俺とパワコはマキマさんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
Howie.
見舞いの果物を食いに来ただけじゃ。
Wow, nice.
リンゴ。
Just one apple.
じゃあな。
Poor Aki. He's gonna be depressed. What are you doing with that?
カス。
Oh, it'll tell you.
生きれる。
2 years? That's nothing. Can you even smoke now? Without thinking of her? Come on, you have to cry for her. It's what she wanted. Yeah. Oh my god.
まあそりゃ泣くよな。大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、バディの姫野も死んだわけだしな。あれ？
俺は全然泣けねえんだ。
Yeah, you're not really feeling anything from this.
ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。でも姫野死んでも。
Why don't you feel anything?
初めて友達になろうっつってくれた人なのに、俺ひどくね？
A little bit.
パワーが死んだら泣けるか？泣けねえかな。あいつが死んだら泣けねえな。
Interesting.
マキマさんが死んだら、マキマさんが死んだら、多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、3日後には楽しく毎
But
日
after
を過ご
3
せてると思
days,
うな。
you'd be back to normal.
朝昼晩食って寝て風呂入れりゃ俺最高だもん。
Wow, what a mentality to have.
心臓だけじゃなく人の心
Maybe
ま
my
で
heart's
なくな
gone
っ
in
ちま
more
った
ways than one. I couldn't have put it better myself.
まあシリアスなことは考えなくていいか。楽しくねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからな。さっさとマキマさんに会いに行こう。
That was some really interesting introspective that Denji had for himself, where he was actually questioning, like, why don't I feel anything? And that's such a good point. Like, maybe your heart is gone in more ways than one. Maybe you don't feel like you used to, and that kind of ties into the fact that when he was fighting the Bat Devil, he was saying, like, no, I'm not here to protect these humans. I'm not saving anyone. Maybe that was just like a glimpse of his humanity slowly leaving him, because he was protecting humans earlier in that same exact episode. But then when it came the third time, he was like, I don't care if this guy dies. So we're seeing that again here, where even though these are people that he has spent time with, that he has come to care for regarding Miss Makima, even Himino, like, I feel like you should have cared a little bit, but you didn't. So that's a bit concerning. How much more detached can he be from people? Like, is the end result of all of this he's going to be more devil than human? Is he going to lose that part of himself?
どうも。あれ、ナイ いてた。
Come on, don't call him
じゃ
out.
あ出てく。私たちマキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか？
Do not take his apple. He only has one.
指導。
ホテル事件と今回のでデンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かった。だから4課を強化しようと思ったんだ。どんどん死んじゃったね。
マキマさんが指導してくれるんですか？
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね。
Oh, the perfect teacher.
君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。彼の名前は
黙れ。
Whoa.
俺の質問に答えろ。仲間が死んでどう思う？
別に。
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか
ねえ
暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
飼っ
Ooh.
てる方。
Ooh, they were honest. I like that.
お前たち100点だ。
あ
Why does he look familiar?
お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。素晴らしい。大好きだ。
怖い。
マキマ、お前は帰れ。今すぐこいつらは指導だ。
Is he Himino's teacher that she was talking to before the graves in like a flashback so many episodes ago? I think he is. Oh, that'll be great if we get Himino's teacher.
じゃああとはよろしく。
マキマさん？
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。好きなのは酒と女と
His eyes look dead.
殺すことだ。
Oh, oh my god. He's trying to kill them? Okay, training's begun, I guess.
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を折れば動けなくなる。
Oh, we broke your neck. Oh my god, that's a lot of strength.
血の匂いじゃ。
Why do you just have a blood bag with you?
血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
何しやがるてめえ。
マキマにお前たちを鍛えてくれと頼まれた。お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。なのにお前が簡単にやられる雑魚だから困ってんだろうな。
You're not wrong.
なんでさっきわしらを締めた？
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるが、お前たちみたいな悪魔は一度もない。酔った俺はどうしようかと考えた。そしてアルコールにやられた脳でついにひらめいた。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強の
Oh my
悪魔だ
god.
から
Is he just gonna kill them
お
over
前
and
たちが
over
俺
again?
を倒せるようになるから。
That's gonna be his technique?
俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
Yeah, hunting the two of you.
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
Power.
じゃあ再開だ。
Oh, this is gonna be long for them.
殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
デンジ。
You gave him a weapon. Teamwork. Ooh. He's good. Oh, ooh. Yikes. Wow, he got them both.
男の方は
The boy is immortal.
魔人の方は半
The
分
fiend is mostly immortal.
とっ
What's
さ
the
に人
difference?
の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持っていて、二人に人権はない。俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。
Oh.
だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかった。
Oh, okay.
俺がお前たちを最高に生かしたやつ
I don't doubt that, actually. Yikes.
コン。
Not responding?
ほら出てけえへんやろ。君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。
Oh, it's mad.
もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
What? It can just decide to
そ
do
の
that?
刀も呪いの悪魔のやつやろ。それもあとどれくらい使えんの？
指導ってのはそういうことか。
お察しが良くて助かる。
不謹慎。今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど、
No.
実際君の課の人が一人民間に行ったし。
続けるなら続けるで、それなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。覚悟。
He knows about
や
sacrifices,
めへ
dude.
んならもっと強い悪魔と契約して得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
He has to stay. His revenge needs it.
殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。
Oh, and you also want to hunt down who killed
な
Himino.
のになんでやめれるんですか？
女性のお客さん来てますよ。
Who's here? Makima? No. The other girl? Kobani? Your mother? What? It had to be his mother, right? But I thought she was dead.
明日家に迎えに行くから。
Oh, these poor guys. They're so dead. Just sleep there. What?
また頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ。
Okay, that worked.
今日何回殺された。
20回以上。
Over 20 times.
ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから正確にはわからん。
Wow.
あのじじい強すぎじゃ。
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえ。楽しくなるために頑張ってきたのに楽しくなくて頑張るのはクソだ。
一緒に逃げるか。
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって、今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃね。俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。どんどんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
わかった。
何が？
あいつを倒す方法じゃ。あいつは超強いが。
Oh, coming up with a
先で頭
plan.
がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
Working together.
なるほどな。俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなってよ。
That's
頭脳
funny.
であいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか俺すげえ頭良くな
They're
って
so
きた気がするぜ。
confident now.
うぬもか。
It's not gonna work.
わしはもう作戦100個思いついた。この血の匂いは来たな、アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を
What?
壊す
Glasses?
死だ。
Because they're smart now?
超インテリ作戦開始じゃ。
That's so funny. How did you dodge that? Oh my god.
頭狙ってきやがった。待ち伏せしやがって。今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな。
Ooh, blood ahead of time? That's so smart. Oh my god, this dude is a badass.
今までで
The plan
一番良かっ
failed.
たぞ。追い詰められた獲物は頭を使う。もっと頭を使え。今回の敗因は2つ。パワーは今の戦い方だと血を
Oh,
使
it
い
leaves
す
her
ぎて
anemic.
本体が貧血になる。
I was like, where's Power? Wouldn't she come
デンジ
out
が
and
俺の
help?
攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。
Let's call it a day after one attempt. That's it?
パワーか。終わりだって。
He lied. He lied.
はい。
Yeah, that was too easy.
狩人の言葉を信用するな。
Where are
強
we?
い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど、俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ。
君は仕事に復帰したらライオンの檻に飛び込むんです。身を守る武器は必要や。
So he's making a contract with another devil?
ここには公安が生け捕りに
This
し
is
た
where
悪魔
devils are
たちが隠れて
kept.
る。
How do you keep a devil here?
関係ないですけど、昨日の美人彼女さんですか？
すぐそういう話やめな。
妹の方です
Oh.
あらら。
Oh,
じゃ
okay.
あ殴られました？
手紙をもらいました
Yeah, because even as I was saying it was your mother, like, I thought she died. So I was just really confused, but I couldn't think of who else it could be that he would have such a visceral reaction to. But this makes more sense.
私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙、あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします。
We could go private instead of staying, but how do I get Aki to quit? Oh, oh no. It's not a good idea to keep working here. He blames himself. He thinks that if he left with her, she wouldn't have died.
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。いるんは未
The
来の悪
future
魔。
devil.
公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。
Two people already have contracts.
1人は寿命半分、もう1人は両目と味覚、
Oh my
嗅覚を差
god.
し出しています。
That's
気に
awful.
入られれば安く済みますよ。
This is so creepy. Why would a devil stay in that room? What is keeping them in there? An eyeball? And that was Chainsaw Man episode 10. Wow, we really just had like the aftermath of that battle with Aki trying to recover and deal with his grief about losing his partner, Himino. When Himino's sister came and gave him the letter, I really wonder why she gave it to him. Did she want Aki to feel guilty that her sister is dead? Because why else would you give that to him? The entire letter was just her about wanting to leave the public safety and like go private, but with Aki, and how she couldn't get him to quit. He just keeps brushing her off, but she really does want to leave. It's not a good idea to stay. But of course, she stayed. And so now Aki is reading this letter and feeling so guilty that he never took her seriously. He stayed, and because he stayed in the public commission, so did she, and she died for it. So now he's gonna feel like even more guilty than he was probably already feeling, considering she died to save him. I don't know what the purpose of that letter was, like, on the sister's behalf anyway. I feel like she wanted him to feel guilty. Or maybe she wanted him to know how much Himino actually cared about him. I don't know. But now this is forcing him to take on another contract with the future devil. That's really intriguing to me. The future devil. Of course people are afraid of the future. They don't know what's coming. People are afraid of the unknown. What can the future devil do for him though? What power can it grant? Like, it's a floating eyeball, it looked like, and honestly the eye kind of reminded me of Makima's eyes. Does she have a contract with the future devil? They said 2 people already do, so Aki will be the 3rd. Who is it? And what can the future devil do? I'm so curious about that. On the other hand, we have Denji, and I really liked that he was very introspective about himself in this episode. He was trying to figure out, why don't I feel anything that Himino is dead, that all these people are dead? Why do I feel nothing? Why do I not care? Would I care if Miss Makima died? And the answer was, he would feel down a bit, but then he'd bounce back within 3 days. Denji is very honest with himself and how he's feeling, and I really appreciate that because a lot of characters aren't. And, you know, that works in media too. But this is kind of refreshing to have a character that really knows himself to the extent that Denji does, even if he doesn't know everything. I don't know, I just liked that he was trying to think, why does he feel this way? Is he truly becoming more devil than human? Is he losing his humanity? Is his heart gone in more ways than one? I love that quote. That was so good. I really do believe that he is probably becoming more apathetic, more distant from the human race. Just because, again, the Bat Devil episode, where he saved 2 people, and then the 3rd one, he was like, I don't care if you live or die. And like literally was going to throw the guy in his car at the Bat Devil. So it's like, what do you mean you don't care when you just cared about the other 2 people? Like, the more you stay as the Chainsaw Devil, do you like become less human? Is that it? Because why did you care before and now you don't? So it's like that really just like struck a chord in me when that scene happened. And this is kind of like connected to that, because now he's wondering about people he actually cares about or is supposed to care about. Why don't I feel anything when I think of them dying? That's just so intriguing to me. I love that. I love that the show dived into that a bit here too. And I love that we brought in the teacher to basically train Denji and Power. I think it does a really good job showcasing that the Public Safety Commission, they're actually really good at what they do. Sure, a bunch of them just got killed, but they weren't the best of the best. The best of the best. They know what they're doing. They can kill you. And I really like how he kind of forced Power and Denji to come together and think of a plan and to be smart about it. And you know what? They came up with a pretty good plan. It wasn't enough, but it was pretty good. And I love that they wore glasses, because they were like, that's what smart people do. They wear glasses. Smart people wear glasses, so we're gonna wear them too, and we're gonna be smart. That's hilarious. I love it. They looked great in glasses, by the way. Power should wear glasses all the time and always have her hair like that, because she was beautiful. But Power gets anemic, which I don't think I realized, and I also didn't think that much blood would have an effect on her, but of course, she is technically in a human's body. She's a fiend, so of course it would affect her if she's using that much blood. So I love that little detail there, and hopefully that means that we're going to expand upon that and try and get to a level where Power isn't out of a fight because she's using too much blood. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this episode. If you enjoyed my reaction, please leave a like and subscribe, and check out my other shows here on the channel. And with that, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!